Me now go Agnes Bokari of Oraf community. Who hope you don't hear watching the president will not talk about the radio. But before that, now call my own brother. When the chief contact from Bottom Okua for the HF camp, he said they go pass the message. So chief contact, now the what did they hear so?
I'm glad to this message where government don't bring come to this community. I dey pray for them people here, the kind free and quality education where them bring come now this country, let God bless.
Amen.
So but I go ask, now they don't come to my community, I go ask the people there where they in my community, if they get question for ask, let's get there, make them go ask them.
Check it. Eba, now una don't come. I don't say una get pussy when they talk about una church. So I dey him the water now. Anybody will get anything for talk, let talk, let the people there hear.
Well, chief them I tell una thank you. When we can this afternoon, we can well welcome we gladly. And we come under the Ministry of Education. Just like when the chief say, una be there here read the news concerning this free and quality education. But una not be understand. Now I make the ministry send we for can explain to una fine one. Me wait him up now, I mean Mr. Yemata. I got we boss where we count when I'm Mr. Edman and we other big one where una welcome under the ministry, Mr. Bailo. I go left una now to them, let them self explain the balance and me na secretary me go they take the note. I tell una thank you.
Mi family unukusho.
Yes, Papa.
I want you una for glady because a message I carry it. Unukusho.
Yes.
This the government of Sierra Leone don't do something for una. But free quality education. Unu glady for that? I'm not saying people in there where really want to forget education. Beginning there, where want education. But today the message we can with now about free quality education. And when they talk about free quality education, now from the beginning, where they nursery school, where they say pre-primary school. Then you want to wait in a primary school. And after them, we get started, you want to wait in a secondary school. So we don't cover all the pre-primary school, primary school, and of course the secondary school beginning. We're not happy for that? Well, I tell you, that you me to strade. What people they send people beginning for go sell market. What people they go for go trust debts. That one they don't done. Now that the government say from today, from now, they don't decide. What picking they go any side for go for school. You know they pay no admission fees, fail, no more admission fees. And a lot of problems they come up as school fees business. But as responsible government, under this new direction, government don't decide say from this time onwards, picking on the pay school fees again for primary, pre-primary and secondary school. No more school fees.
That's good, that's good.
And again, government don't decide for pay all examination fees. Now when they go sit exam now school at, because government they pay for you. And government don't decide for say, then they give textbooks them for 4 core subjects. And the subjects them 1, na mathematics, 2, English language, 3, social studies, and the 4, na integrated science. And because government don't want the classroom, then they choke. And they want any beginning and get this quality education. Government don't decide for employ more teachers then. For all the other schools then, from pre-primary, primary school, and secondary school. And then go increase teacher salary from grade 1 to 6. So now the teacher then now you go down because they get Bokuti now in their pockets. So government increase their salary. which means they go add the salary. We do not glad for that. And above all, picking no go the normal, you go sleep in a school, learn nothing not in a belly because people and can grab all the money for do lunch, for make this, for go and I want this, I want that. Then they can't don't pound because government don't decide say, then they feel all the school picking them. Monica don't come back. So now, government don't decide. Say, then they supply furniture. So all the school they will need furniture. So they're picking them for the third bench in a school. That one they can't do now. Then government, they add more classroom then. Because they don't want the classrooms then they choke. So now then they add the classroom then. Then the minister of basic and senior secondary school education, they rehabilitate and expand and reconstruct government schools them. That some of their schools that will be on the link na corner better no day. When they know say this na government assisted schools and na government school them. The ministers them, then they do all this good work so that education they go before. And they tell now the people them. And we are not happy for that. We are not ready. Well, at this under the direction. But me no go able to all the talk. For any other thing, I carry out me able Lieutenant Mr. Bailo. He said go talk to una as we don't come on at the Ministry of Education. So una listen to Mr. Bailo. Attack kuna ya.
Me people afternoon. Afternoon. We glad for them at this una community. And we care for telling about the free and quality education where we government don't come with. This free and quality education, now we get for put hand under, and now we get for support, not to the government alone. The way where we get support, let we allow we picking them for go school. You keep you picking at us, in no go school, government go hold you, tranga one. For we will get we picking them, where they give them market for tops. Go na treat and sell. This government they against that, and the law will deal with you. Tranga one. So this quality education we don't come when are free for all. Now we get for supporter because now we get more. We get for they take care of the picking them. Let we make sure say they study because if they not study, you picking fail 1 term. Now you go pay for on the next year. Until we know how money hard forget, so let we support we picking them for let them learn. Because education, now in all country, I go tap so for now and listen una. I'll turn the mic to una. Let una say bring up una questions. I tell una plenty time.
May go continue for the breastfeed. Mr. Animani, Mr. Bailo, Mr. Emota, who don't grab the pound now. Oh, granny pound now. All what you don't talk, you don't come away. And with the car, which is talking now, to poo them. Anybody want to get to you, they talk up, may talk now. Who poo them now, then the actor, teaching about educator. How educator, the car for who? They'll pick the running book. To anybody there, any chief for talk, he can talk now.
Yes, the chief, we buy you. Jeba young.
Another better.
Let's call the apple quick. Let's go to make the one we come and comment and make all the bills now. But I get a question for now. Una don't touch all the same for this free education business. Uniform, minimum sotokoi. Na me de buy success soy. I even never if go. Una answer me ba.
Well, government they come halfway. But you self as Kumbra, what's your contribution? Rather you pay school fees, examination fees, you do other things same. You understand where they spend beaucoup money.
Yes,
but you ask Kumbrana for sure appreciation. Government no they give the uniform as at now. You understand? But una di Kumbrana now una get for give una picking the uniform. You understand?
Yes,
that's what I get for do. Una say show una your appreciation.
That's a
contribution. Yes, now una contribution. But government will provide the teaching and learning material for all the school, picking them at all level. Then they give exercise books. Then they give pen, then they give pencil, then they give chalks, then they go to register and sports things them. The things all the beginning they use for do sports. The register, na government they side that one day. The pen, the pencil, and other learning materials there for the school, government they give that day. But do you have not the parents them back? Are they beg una, eh? You know go find.
Well, about that.
Una say good and they are.
Anybody get got your over?
Go yes, Papa. Go inside the dancer. About you now. Oh no, they see by eye. Who can smell beginning? Oh no, how can we? This is beginning. They don't help me. Bang, a man in me say they put a school. You don't cry. If you go school now, when come to school, you go for local and get the kappa here and bum bum. I'll down the back. Imagine.
Let God help you, sir.
Quick.
I believe say a happy one where you say you don't get somebody where don't say go help you for you picking education. Then the government have don't come in. I believe say that small help where you get from that person, the manager lily because if the picking come out school, you not able to study, you not able to learn. And governments have they think of that. Not for this first phase, but maybe towards the second or third phase, government will know what they go to do. So people who are disabled or people who are not able to afford or not able to work and not they see like you. You hear me? Do you allow them? Because in education one important so if you allow a land now, me water. And like when you blind so you must sit on a good motor car and more than a good horse. You believe not so?
Stop.
Young man, what happened?
Me I think I go pull me up like go tell me mama say they can't put me in a school. Who don't can I not grip and put me in a school? He said I go sell, why not grip I go play, I go beat me.
Wait, young man.
I believe say your problem don't solve.
Yeah, no me that tire.
With this new direction and the government of Sierra Leone, get schools for disabled and for people who are not normal. You understand? All that get for stop.
Me a normal and me hate my man a flop.
I know. So we get for fair provision for you, the chief. Go get the message. We'll direct you say where you say go there where you go learn something. When you tomorrow Bambai.
Yeah.
You sabi get the right?
No.
You don't want to go school?
Ah, now you can go school now so.
Okay.
Because that first house I me to go school, no school, no give me the key.
Yeah, man. You get for go school, you go learn something, yeah?
My God, the power.
That's so community day. You know when they say community, they're a group of people. You get all kind of man. He said belong, you don't belong. I belong. Fine, sit down. Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down. Sit down.
Okay. Uda, you want to sit down? Be a watch,
My God, the power.
check him out.
But who get popular and not the for land again?
What?
Okay.
Anybody get on that chief for talk again?
Yes, Chief. What about them picking there? When then a class them 100. Government get something for do about them.
I'm not a big child. Now they talk.
Okay.
I be 100. Talk.
Madam, their schools they are overpopulated. Government say build more classrooms, then they extend the classrooms then because the new schools they will get for bill, I believe they go accommodate the picking them. At least 50 per class. So that problem they solve. Okay? Thank you.
We'll tell you. What you tell man that talk? Who granny pounder. Let God make one that they go. Let una reach. Oh, what for tell na check it, we go bless una. Who not all what you don't talk, it clear. But anybody get anything for talk again?
Yes, it's even minute. Let go there quick. Now you get to in this community now. Inside this education business, you don't go sell the television. Can make all money come in school fees. Now free education you don't cannot so. So the best thing in Mamutong, I take a call to make you. Bake Marco may bring me television.
Sanda, if the mama that choose me, mama not to choose. I'm crazy like you. Who be done back in the pay you cash for the money. If you say me like that, I don't pay you.
Let's not talk about talk. We may not be charged. What a book we have got the central. Huh? So there, best. Not a fetch car. What a grant for the education. What a book we have out. Not to talk.
Yes.
What a grant not to talk.
Yes, sir.
So there, what for check government to check the president, His Excellency the President, for the free education. What we have for people. Tell us how we don't wait for that. For the mere fact that Una don't come into it. Now, for Tomoku and Olaf community, who ready for Ola with Tuan. For this, I don't grow. What is a free education, Ola with Tuan? So that the pikin the understand they go run. Say we there, we dey wait for them. Then they come teach them, qualified teacher them. No get positive education.